Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1. Safran and Rolls-Royce double down their offer in co-developing engines for India's AMCA program. According to recent reports from Times Now, French aerospace engine manufacturer Safran is emerging as a potential supplier for a new engine in India's 5th generation AMCA program. Safran has expressed its intention to offer full transfer of technology for the co-developed engine with no restrictions on sensitive issues. Sources familiar with the matter have revealed that India's negotiations position has strengthened after securing an 80% TOT agreement for the F414 engines. Indian authorities are now determined to press for intellectual property rights and TOT at a level no less than 85 to 90% of the engine's value in discussion with potential engine manufacturer, including Safran and Rolls-Royce. Next, Indian Air Force pursue wet lease of Airbus A330 MRTT for air-to-air refueling training. The IAF has renewed its efforts to secure a wet lease agreement for a refueling tanker from France, specially Airbus A330 MRTT, to meet the growing demand for air-to-air refueling training. This initiative aims to cover training requirements for various Indian fighter aircraft, including the Rafale, Su-30 Mk1, Jaguar and Tejas. Next, collaboration on artificial intelligence and semiconductor technologies for UAVs and drones. In a significant development, the United States Department of Defense and Space Force have signed their first international cooperative research and development agreement, that is CRADA, with Indian startup 114AI and Third Eye Tech. The agreement aims to collaborate with GA to co-develop components using cutting-edge technologies in AI and semiconductor fields for unmanned aerial vehicles and drones. Next, BrahMos Corporation eyes 6 new export deals for supersonic cruise missiles. BrahMos Corporation, the joint venture between India and Russia, is set to finalize 6 new deals for the export of its highly advanced BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. This follows the recent success of securing an export contract with the Philippines worth $375 million for the BrahMos show-based anti-ship missile system, with Indonesia also expressing interest in acquiring BrahMos missiles and Vietnam reportedly in discussions for a potential deal worth up to $625 million. India's future as a major arms supplier is becoming increasingly evident. Next, Nepali Gurkhas attracted 2 private military companies, including Wagner. In a recent development, there has been an increase in Nepali Gurkhas joining private military companies, including the well-known Russian company Wagner. This trend highlights the allure and appeal of such companies among Nepali Gurkha soldiers seeking lucrative opportunities outside traditional military roles. Next, L&T in talks with Blue Origin to manufacture rocket engines. India's leading engineering firm Larsen & Toubro is reportedly engaged in preliminary discussions with Blue Origin, the space exploration company owned by American billionaire Jeff Bezos. The talks revolve around a potential collaboration to provide orbital launch capabilities, including liquid rocket engines as well as spare habitat solutions. Next, India-US to develop small modular reactors for domestic and export market. India and the US are working together for developing next generation small modular reactor technologies for domestic and export markets. According to a joint statement issued by the US White House amid Prime Minister Narendra Modi's US visit, President Joe Biden and Prime Minister Modi noted the ongoing discussion on developing next-generation small modular reactor technologies in a collaborative mode for the domestic market as well as for the export. Next. China building solar hydro projects with new military bases built near LAC with India. Facing difficulties in maintaining its large number of military bases built along the line of actual control with India, the Chinese military has constructed many solar and hydel power plants to sustain the increased energy requirements of their troops. The military standoff between India and China has been going on for more than 3 years now after the Chinese tried to unilaterally change the status quo at the LAC in eastern Ladakh through large-scale aggression. Thank you.